Hi, on this video I'm going to show you how you connect your PS4 controller to your iPhone. First, you go to your settings, go to your Bluetooth, make sure your Bluetooth is on, and turn on the sync on your PS4 controller. And this is how you do it. You click on the photo and the home button at the same time until it starts blinking. So now you're in sync mode. As you can see here, it says DualShock 4 wireless controller. You click on that and easy. Now that means your controller is connected. Alright, so that's how you connect your DualShock 4 DualShock controller for your PS4. And watch my next video. I will show you how you connect your PS4 to your phone, and with the controller you can use it and play on your iPhone or iPad. Subscribe.